Guys, before telling the 5 steps for a good personality, I will start with one incident of 11th September 1893 in Chicago, United States of America. The World Religion Parliament was going on, and the anchor announced the name of Swami Vivekananda from India to deliver his speech. A young and dynamic personality came in front of the mic and said, Sisters of Sister and Brothers of America. He started his speech with this magical statement, magical line, by which he got all attraction of the audience towards him. Every eyes were on him, and each person was eager to know what this young man from India is going to deliver. When this happened, people from all over the world who were attending that seminar was very conscious to know and to hear Swami Vivekananda. When his speech ended, everyone were praising him. They all were talking about Swami Vivekananda, how he is dynamic, how he has delivered his speech. The way he delivered was so impressive. So, if a person wants to deliver himself, he should be real. He should put himself in front of the audience. He must try to express himself whatever he is. In the case of Swami Vivekananda, he gave his real experience, whatever he had. He also tried to put all those subjects in front of the audience which were famous at that time. So all these facts, what Swami Vivekananda had discussed on the seminar was very, uh, sensitive at that time. He talked about many things about South Indian people, about the culture of India, about all those things related to the religion of Hindus. He thanked everybody who has explained this on that platform. So such type of things has taken attention of Swami Vivekananda. No one was knowing Swami Vivekananda before that speech. But after that speech, he was known to everyone. Almost all corner of the world know Swami Vivekananda. And what he did actually in that speech, he just expressed himself. He just tried to open himself that how can we improve ourselves, how can we yeah yeah so so everyone, if we want to have a good personality, I have 5 points. First one is be yourself always, do not tell a lie. And second point is always show faith on Almighty God, because if this universe is created, it will be destroyed. And if something is created, that means it is created by someone. And who will be? That is the Almighty God who has created this world, this universe. Third, Love your family members, friends, and colleagues. We can earn money anytime, anywhere, but we can never buy emotion or feeling by this earned money. So love your family, parents, friends, and colleagues also. I would like to conclude with a beautiful quote that the personality is the person. Okay, okay. The personality is a consecutive success part. It means we should never stop anywhere. We should try to keep ourselves ahead and ahead every time. Thank you.